Somewhere right now, a brand is dropping thousands of dollars just to get a 30-second video. Studio, model, 2 days of editing, all for half a minute of content. Meanwhile, someone else, sitting at their laptop, no studio, no model, just generated the exact same thing in under 5 minutes. Meet Sjinn, the AI tool that makes it possible. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact process to create lifelike AI influencer videos. Let's dive in. Head over to Sjinn. It's an AI-powered image and video generation platform. The link in the description, just sign in. We'll be using 2 tools inside Sjinn. Creating AI influencer face, click on Tool Mode at the top of the page. This is where all the individual AI tools live. We're going to use the image generation tool, specifically the Nano Banana Pro model. This model is excellent at generating hyper-realistic human faces. Here's what you do. Maybe you found a look on Pinterest or you have a reference image. I'm going with this image. You can upload that image directly. Sjinn will use it as a style reference. Just write a prompt. Based on the facial features of this girl, generate a new face that looks different from it, but still get some inspiration from the uploaded image. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and resolution is 2K. Hit generate and let Sjinn do its thing. It will take some time. Now here's the result. This is your influencer's identity. Finding reference video. Now that we have our face, we need motion. Open up Pinterest and search for something like fashion influencer video, lifestyle reel, or whatever vibe fits your niche. You're not stealing someone's identity, you're borrowing the motion. The face will be completely replaced by your AI influencer. I'm going with this video. Pause the video at the very first frame and take a screenshot. This first frame is what Sjinn will use to understand the pose, the outfit, and the environment. Generating the video. You'll see 2 upload slots on the screen. In the first slot, upload your face image. In the second slot, upload the screenshot. Now in the prompt box type, use the face from the first image. Apply the body pose, outfit, and environment from the second image. Set your aspect ratio and resolution as 2K. Hit generate and let Sjinn do its thing. Look at the result. This is insane. Our model is ready. Now go to video section and this time, select Kling V3 Motion Control. This is the tool that's going to do the heavy lifting. In the image section, just upload the image we have generated right now. And in the video section, upload your Pinterest video. Hit generate and wait. And there it is. Look at that. The face from your AI image, the outfit and motion from the reference video, combined into one seamless, lifelike clip. If you showed this to someone without context, they would have no idea this was AI generated. Customizing your influencer. Here's where it gets really fun and really powerful. Want a different environment? Beach, city street, luxury apartment? Just find a reference that matches the vibe. Upload it with the same face image and generate. The same way, you can swap the outfit, hairstyle, and location. The face stays consistent. The identity stays consistent. But the content is completely fresh every single time. This is exactly how you build a scalable AI influencer. That's the full workflow. The AI influencer space is moving fast, and the people who start building now are going to be miles ahead of everyone who waits. Head over to Sjinn, the link is in the description. If this video helped you, drop a like. Subscribe to get more tutorials on AI content creation. I'll see you in the next one.